For a zipper that may have teeth falling off or missing, there's a solution to adjust the zipper length. I'll be demonstrating this on a pair of jeans, as it commonly happens to them. Even though my zipper here will still zip with a broken tooth, I'm going to adjust the length so I can prevent difficulty if it were to get stuck or pull off the zipper. To start, pull the zipper closed and thread your needle with a knot in the end and enter through the inside of the jeans. Going through the fabric next to the zipper, loop around the zipper teeth at the location of the missing tooth several times. After you've created a sturdy amount of thread, push the needle back to the inside and tie off the strings. Cut the thread and now you have a slightly shorter zipper length with no missing teeth.